Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to another video. You guys have shown me so much love on my previous braiding videos, so I just want to keep them coming for you guys. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got these 3-layer cornrows. My client originally wanted individuals in the back, however I recommended that she do cornrows instead, just because her hair is so short in the back and the individuals would slip out very fast. So first we're just going to start off by dividing the hair into the 3 sections that we're going to be doing, just to kind of get an idea of how we want everything to fall. And I know what some of you guys may be thinking, that she really needs a trim. Yes, she definitely does. However, that was not the purpose of her coming to see me today. The healthier hair is definitely important as well. You want to make sure that you're keeping up with your trims, because those split ends will just continue to split up the shaft, which in turn means you'll have to cut more hair, and that you definitely don't want. Quite a bit of you guys have been requesting that I do a video on how I part my client's hair, and I definitely will be doing that in the future, a more detailed video. But just to give you a quick little tip on what I do, I use this rat tooth comb 99% of the time to part my client's hair, just because it gives me more of a precise part versus if I used a comb with a more of a thicker tooth. So sometimes I'll section off the beginning of the hair just to give myself a cleaner start. Then I'll gather my 3 pieces. Then once I gather my 3 pieces, I'm going to begin the cornrow, grabbing the piece furthest to my left, then grasping the middle piece with my left hand, then grasping the piece furthest to my right with my left hand. Then I'm going to add in the feed-in hair, and I typically like to start adding in the hair from the jump, especially when they have colored hair like she does, to give it more of a cleaner look. Then I'm going to continue that step again, grasping the piece furthest to my left with my right hand, grasping the middle piece with my left hand, then crossing the hair over into my left hand again. Then we're going to add another piece of hair, and we're just going to continue the same cycle until we get to the thickness of the cornrow that we desire. And then once we do that, we'll just braid all the way down to the end. So I also had some requests to slow down my video quite a bit more, just so you guys can see exactly what I'm doing. So I hope you guys appreciated that little demo there, and definitely let me know down in the comments if it helped you learn how to do feed-in braids. So this was actually my first time doing this particular style, and it turned out absolutely beautiful. I wasn't so sure how it was going to turn out just because like I said, I had never done this style before, and I just wanted to make sure that it looked full, and I had hoped that it looked full once I was done. So it came out exactly the way that I wanted it to. As you guys can see, it's very versatile. You can wear it all down, or you can wear it half up, half down, whichever way you desire. So definitely let me know what you think about this style, and don't forget to rate this video. Turn on your notification bell so you can know exactly when I post another video, because you know I'm keeping them coming. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.